So let me show you how to transfer files from a USB flash drive to your iPhone Air. So if you have one of these newer flash drives with a Type-C connector, then you can just plug it in straight to the Type-C port of your iPhone Air. If you have one of these older ones like this one, then you need an adapter. So let's connect the flash drive to the iPhone. There you go, simple as that. And once that is connected, now there's not going to be any pop-up or any notification. What you need to do now is go to the Files app. So just launch that app and then go and tap on Browse until you get to the home page, and then here you can see the name of your USB flash drive. So tap on that once to open it, and that shows the files and folders inside this hard drive. So from here you can copy any file or any folder really. So for instance, if I want to copy this entire folder, all I need to do is long press on it and then select copy, and then I can go back to the home page of the Files app where it says browse, and I can choose locations and then choose on my iPhone and then choose where I want to paste this. So for instance, if I go to that folder, I can long press an empty space and then choose paste. If not, maybe tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select paste. Now, if that's not there, then you still might have to find an empty space there. So just long press on an empty space. Now, if you accidentally long press on an item, it's not going to show you what you're supposed to see. So make sure you go to an empty space, long press, and then you'll see the paste option. Then you can tap on paste, and that folder you can see with its contents is going to be pasted into the iPhone. So now I can take out the flash drive, and since I pasted in the phone memory, all the files and folders are going to still be there. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.